We messing with royalty today. We're at Dairy Queen. Boom! What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Full Nelson Eats a Lot. I'm your host that eats the most. It's your boy Full Nelson. I want to give a big special shout out to Tender Sheep for letting me know about this brand new honey hot chicken strips here at Dairy Queen. Tender Sheep, you're awesome. I got the tip, I came here and I did the video for y'all. Remember, subscribers, anybody could drop a comment, give me a recommendation or a tip or just a request of something you want to see, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Don't worry, I know that Steak and Shake is on the list, and I'm gonna bring that Culver's for you if I ever catch myself up north. I appreciate every single comment. As you guys could probably tell, this is another lunchtime review, so I don't have much time. Let's get into it. The honey hot chicken tender strips, plus we're gonna be looking at the dipped chocolate strawberries blizzard. Should be interesting. I love Dairy Queen. Let's go in and find out. Boom! That's the one, guys. Don't it just look so delicious? Okay guys, so the food should be coming out shortly. I'm pretty excited. I upgraded the drink to a chocolate dip blizzard, strawberry dip blizzard, I'm sorry about that. The strawberries are dipped in chocolate. And total came out to $9.25. That's pretty reasonable, I'd say, for a 4-strip basket and a blizzard. Not bad at all. Should be out here in just a couple of minutes. By the way, guys, I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this restaurant. It's super well lit, very clean, and I like the decor. Feels very homey, comfortable. Hello? Hey, I'm at lunch. Yeah, let me call you right back, okay? I'm filming. All right, later. Boom! Okay, guys, the basket is here. I wanted you guys to take a look at this. Seriously looking delicious. So we've got the 4-piece tenders right there, dripping and soused with that honey hot. Then we got some of this white gravy in the center, some ketchup, a piece of Texas toast, and you got your fries right there on the side. All of this is looking crispy, delicious. It's so close to my face, I could feel it's super hot. This is fresh. I'm excited. Here's a little close-up action for those of you that want to see the details. You guys are detail oriented. Don't worry, I got you. Look at those details. You got that crispiness on the fries, that gravy. You got your tenders looking so soused. And I mean, look at this basket. Those tenders are the all-star. They're standing out. Look at that thing. This is looking delicious. Blizzard just came out, guys. Looking good. Oh my gosh. Check that out. That looks really good. So I'm just gonna start off with the blizzard. I'm gonna break the rules. People say you gotta wait after you eat to eat your dessert. No, not here. Right off the bat, it looks like they definitely loaded this thing up with those chocolate chunks. So you see those strawberries in there, and it looks like the ice cream has some strawberry syrup in there too to make it pink. Really thick pieces of chocolate. The strawberries burst with flavor, and the ice cream is predominantly strawberry, so you're gonna taste that. Every bite I've taken so far, you get that chocolate first. It's very rich, and then as it's going down, the strawberry kind of takes over the flavor. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and go in on one of these strips. Look at that thing. Looking soused up. This is the honey hot chicken strips. I'm impressed with Dairy Queen's chicken strips. Very crispy. The inside's juicy and tender. I bite into it. It's not dry or anything like that. It's full of flavor. And then the sauce, it's sweet, but it does pack a heat. And to be honest with you, when these restaurants do these honey hot type of things, sometimes there's zero spice in there and it's just the sweetness. Dairy Queen did a good job of making sure that if they put hot in the name, it had that flavor, and heat kicked it up a little bit. Usually I'd say, you know, if this was supposed to be just spicy, I'd say it could be spicier. But the fact that this is a honey hot and they own to that, stating that it's supposed to be a little sweet and a little spicy, I think it's just perfect. Doesn't need to be spicier. You get some sweet, you get some spice, and they're pretty well balanced. You get that sweetness first, and then the spicy kind of kicks you afterwards. Fries, crispy, soft potato on the inside. We got that Texas gravy right here. Got a piece of Texas toast. Let's try that. The country gravy's good. You're getting some hints of pepper in there. It's not too salty. It's creamy. Good. I think the Texas toast has a great flavor. It's a thick cut too, and it's soft, but I wish it was a little crispier. It could definitely be crispier, but it's not a bad toast. This tastes like homemade. Okay, we've got one more tender here. It's probably the last one I'll do. It's a big basket. I'm a big fan of these. These honey and hot strips are the new item of the month. This Blizzard's cool and it tastes good, but I'm a big fan of these strips. Sweet and spicy, crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. Home run, Dairy Queen. Great job with those. Well guys, that's it for my quick lunchtime review of the Dairy Queen honey hot chicken strips and the new chocolate dip strawberry blizzard. It's new for the month of February. They're not here forever, limited time only. Get them while they last. I'm a big fan. If you like this video, do me a big favor and smash that like button for me. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe.